Why you stress me so? Why you must stress me? Me no book for Sumfest. Me no have no artist who book for Sumfest. Me and Sumfest now do no business that area. Why you not bombard me DM for review Sumfest? You think Sumfest no know say every year people look forward to Foota hype review? Them not hire me, them not book me, them not spend the money with me. So I waste my time. Yeah, if you go and review when it not benefit me nothing. Me not get paid. You know what I mean? I waste of time. You not pressure me now. Look how much host and MC and everybody with them have. And I'm me who not kill for review something. Why? Just wake up and mad me already to blood clot.
Okay, boom, back again with these quick updates because trust, if it's not foreign from Kingmixup, it's not credible. And you already know the deal, my peeps. Me there so for telling a walk one for that to go on. You see me, so obviously you can say Dancehall selector Foota hype is using the excuse that he hasn't been paid to do these lovely reviews that you see in front of you. Basically what I'm trying to say in a lie I tell to you, because nobody never pay him before for the review upon Kartel situation, but sure him can't come and make front, you know, and say them flop the show and all of this stuff, because it was a beautiful show. I'm not gonna lie to you, we're supposed to be a clash, but after the clash we didn't even think about who was the winner, because everybody won, you know what I mean? Everybody enjoyed themselves and ting. This is something that Alkaline and Massacre should be looking forward to do, but them want to size up to the king and ting. But nevertheless, don't be stressed like Foota hype. TJ Tug Life did extraordinary review immediately after you know what was done, Reggae Sumfest. So let's hear what go on for that to go on and proceed to the next. Because you know I be a people, I size up to the thing, you know.
I'm tell you now already. Ain't no other like Mavado, ain't no other like Vybz Kartel. There's a reason why Kartel get king of dancehall. I'ma tell you now, all everybody me say I jump up and I flip up, bro. If Kartel wasn't the king, I'm Mavado would give. Me I tell you no straight. Yes, that is it, Miss Attitude. Levels to this, bro. And separate and apart from that, come here watch what going on. Them the artists them now come tell me, but me not afraid to talk, I don't see it. Bro, Mavado and Kartel couldn't do this without each other, bro. Me I tell you now. This are them best performance for both of them for the past couple of years. From Kartel come out of jail, this are your best performance, bro. Mavado as my artist, this is one of your best performance in a years, bro. It's like the two want to sing certain way and you know, with ego and everything want to kick in. Because I know Mavado don't want to mess up and I know Kartel don't want to feel like say, yo, you know. So the man them go hard and them compliment each other, bro. And the man them keep up each other, bro. Because if Mavado alone that perform for the whole 1.5 hour, bro, him go feel like him that fall short. And if Kartel that do it, him that fall short, bro. In a care who have big song, it's like them, they just need it, other energy. When them come together, them energy sync, bro. And may I tell you, it was a marvelous performance, bro. May I tell you that. No other artist couldn't do this. On a favorite artist couldn't do this. I'm not try to throw no word. But I just more mind. Alright, I'm gonna tell you, even though we are say you want unity, look at clash have to go on, you know. Cause I really remember say a clash cause this, you know, chat. Remember say a clash cause this, you know. And the clash will go on years ago cause this, bro. Kartel your favorite. No man, Kartel like king of dancehall, man. Nobody can take with that from Kartel, bro. Big up to being the man see me, but Kartel is the king of dancehall, bro. Nobody can take with that from Kartel, bro. May I tell you now. I'm done telling you already. Otherwise, on Kartel, as much as I have the young veteran them where I do them thing and I put in their work, I still put Mavado over all on, bro. May I tell you now. You see the man catalog? Chat, remember you know that about alright, a while ago, Carly said over 30 songs sing. And the 30 songs they must sing are 30 hits. When I say hits, I mean hits. I not talk about one song will go viral for one little 3 months and then after 3 months you not really hear it back. Everything on here a while ago, bro, are hits. Enough artists can't do that, bro. See the people sing every single song. No man, I have to rate the two DJ man. Big up Kartel and big up Mavado man. I tell you bro, no. At one time I feel like as a G bro, as a thugs, I feel like for ball one night time then bro. Come here and say, yo, look at this. You see me? I used to feel, especially for Kartel, you know why I feel so passionate for Kartel, bro. You see, I whole heap the dog go through and me really see say the dog really a try to change over him life. The man a turn comedian, bro. The man turn big comedian, man, say him done with badness. For those who don't know, Kartel say for the rest of the time, him will never sing a next gun tune. I don't know if much I want to hear this. You see me? The dog say him done with gun song. The only reason why I hear gun song a while ago is because a part of the job now. But the man say, nah, you're not going to hear no new gun song with Kartel. Man say, just a deal with happiness and peace and just make money. And as he said, the man are making money for true. You see me? Mavado, bro. Nah, tell a lie. I'm proud of Mavado, dog. I'm proud of Mavado, bro. I'm proud of Mavado, bro. I tell you, because I know Mavado in real life. And I tell you, so the dog, keep up, bro. I never doubt him still, you know. I don't doubt Mavado, you know. Because remember, you know, everybody that come at me when I say, dog, I'm not say, I'm Mavado, they win the clash, the time I sting. And everybody say, no, and then jump down my throat. I'm telling you why I give Mavado the winnings. You see me? But they tell you why I give Mavado the winnings. But Kartel, they get the edge because of Vybz Kartel, that, bro. And Kartel is a man. When Mavado will run out of lyrics, Kartel cannot run out of lyrics. Kartel cannot run out of lyrics. But you know what Mavado can run out of? Mavado cannot run out of melody. And that is why I'm telling you, so the two of them hand in hand, bro. Kartel is the best lyricist Jamaica has ever seen. Mavado is the best vocalist Jamaica has ever seen. Otherwise, from Garnet Silk and but the next brother they want me like, man, you have one next brother we're tough to, you know, reggae artists. You see me? But when it come on to dancehall, bro, no other artist. Big up to Enhance. I like how Enhance melody sound. But you know have no, and Wayne Marshall. Before Mavado, it was always Wayne Marshall for me. The vocal level Wayne Marshall will come out with, bro, it is like Mavado step up to that. You see me? No man, Bunty and them man, we not put them in our catalog, bro. Bunty and Beanie are different. After the older generation that I talk about for the new gens them, bro. You see me? For the new gens them, bro. Kartel and Mavado. Two man them are king of dancehall, bro. It's just that the reason why me personally get Kartel king over Mavado is because of the more influence we have. Gaza fans them bigger than Gully fans them by far. We not dispute that. You see me? Gaza fan them big, and as what I say, Mavado come and sing about Kingmixup. Every moment they start bleach. The man come about clocks, everybody start wear clocks. The man come out of jail start wear kerchief price gone up. You see me? And that is why I say, yo, for a man with so much influence, we have to give him that. Plus the lyrics them. But when it come out to Mavado and the vocal and the melody, bro, no boy can test Mavado, dog. You see me? So big up to...
Yeah, put in the comment section where you think about that. So you can see I'm money out of the clash thing, whether it's entertainment or real. You see what I say? And it's unfortunate that, you know, this generation have to still watch the older generation like Gaza Gully still doing their thing because Alkaline and Massacre them afraid for war and one another for some reason. It look like say them afraid to get it and all of this stuff, you know. But nevertheless, Gaza and Gully still doing it, you know. They'll be in UK, the O2 Arena in September. You see what I'm saying? This show can possibly go to Barclays Center and even UBS Arena. Who knows? But anyway, people will not go long on this and longer, so do the right thing and follow the king and turn on the notification bell to be notified whenever I drop the latest. And check out these next suggested videos on the sip on the screen. And in the meantime, we're forward back again. Bless.